Back trailer keeps getting lighter. Oh shit, he's in the machine. Oh, here we go. Time to do some things that we probably, yeah, what the hell. 2 more containers to go. How does, okay.
Shit, bro.
Yeah, that's definitely not normal, right? And what the hell is that Texas Chainsaw Massacre blade by your right foot? Bro, is that how these heads came in this box? Is that how you separate the head from the body? Oh my God, there was that movie about this, some kind of 8 heads in a duffel bag, remember that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think this is what we got here. That's definitely illegal. You gotta be careful when you're playing around out here, all the animals and whatnot. Holy crap, look at the size of that mouse. Floppy. Floppy disk. Something's not adding up. Because it's broken.
Pull down very small amount.
Done. That's a wrap. Take it from that end. Look at up top of it.
Yeah, I know.
Make it rain on them hoes. Ta-da. Yeah.